No, it is not Star Wars Day. It is Star Wars month to me. So this means it's time to make Star Wars cocktails. I always enjoy coming up with new old-fashioned style drinks to honor my favorite movie saga. So this is the drink you are looking for. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways, and may the Force be with you. I do enjoy Star Wars and an old fashioned, so what better way to celebrate a Star Wars month than with a few old fashions?
A few, Minister.
This one is based on a riff of a cocktail called Jedi Mind Trick. I will leave the original recipe below. I did change up a few things to make it a bit more old fashioned style.
You will try.
It is also the first time I'll be using Aquavit. So I am pretty excited. Cocktail quiz time! Aquavit is a neutral spirit distilled from grain or potato and is most commonly flavored with caraway as its dominant spice. It is also the national spirit of which Northern European region? If you're liking these videos, please make sure to click on that like button. Also, while you're at it, make sure to subscribe. I'm getting closer and closer to 2,222 subs. Once I do, I'll be doing an amazing giveaway. Now, I did show a little bit on what I'm going to be giving away on my last live, so if you have not seen that video, I will leave a link to it right here. The Jedi Mind Trick was used by many in the Jedi Order, but was first introduced to us by Obi-Wan Kenobi in A New Hope.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
Let's get to making the Jedi Mind Trick. The Jedi Mind Trick ingredients: 2 ounces gin, half an ounce Aquavit, half an ounce orange liqueur, 1/4 ounce caraway lemon simple syrup, 1 dash lemon bitters, 2 dashes orange bitters. Let's start making the Jedi Mind Trick because this is the drink you are looking for. This will be made in a mixing glass. We're going to start off with half an ounce of this Aquavit. I've never used it before, so I'm pretty excited to try it. I did smell it earlier and it has a nice floral herbal smell to it. Now we're going to add half an ounce of blue curacao, which is an orange liqueur, but it is the color blue. I use this one particularly because it's like Obi-Wan's lightsaber. Look at that beautiful blue color in there. Now we're going to pour in 1/4 ounce of this caraway lemon simple syrup. I do have the recipe for this below. The original recipe called for half an ounce. I'm doing 1/4 because there's plenty of flavor in this, and this is one of the primary flavors in this as well. So I don't want to overpower it. Now we're going to add some lemon bitters, 1 dash of this, so that we can actually highlight some of that lemon flavor in this simple syrup. Followed by 2 dashes of orange bitters to also highlight this. Now it's time to pour in 2 ounces of this gin. Now this gin is special to me because my buddy Iceman Can't Cook sent me this bottle. So what perfect way to use the gin that he sent me than to start off with a Star Wars drink. 2 full ounces of that. Now let's add some ice to this. And we want to stir this until chilled. Now we want to make sure it's nice and chilled in the glass because on this one, we're not putting any ice in the glass it's going to be served in. I'm going to serve it in this. It was in the freezer for a while, so it's nice and chilled. Let's go ahead and strain that in there. Look at that beautiful blue color, just like Obi-Wan's lightsaber. Now, before I forget, I do want to garnish with a dried lemon and Obi-Wan color lightsaber. There you have it, the Jedi Mind Trick Old Fashioned. Cocktail quiz time. Aquavit is a neutral spirit distilled from grain or potato that is most commonly flavored with caraway as its dominant spice. It is also the national spirit of which Northern European region? The answer is Scandinavia, which includes Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. All right, well, it's time to taste this bad boy. Let's pull this off to the side here. Let's go in for our first drink. Yeah, that caraway is very upfront and forward, then floral, and then it actually is very, very smooth. This is a drink I think my wife is really going to enjoy. She likes those floral type of drinks. She likes drinking a lot of gin, so she would like this drink because the gin adds that extra floral to it as well.
Floral bed sheets.
I like the color of it. I like that it represents Obi-Wan and the Jedi, so it's going for a second drink. Just gets better with that second drink. Covers the tongue, good flavor. I like it. This is definitely the drink you are looking for.
I'm a Toydarian. My trick's gonna work on me. Only money.
Thank you for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole, especially with this Star Wars cocktail. I always look forward to May to make some new ones, to try different things. It's a time I think really outside the box and kind of stretch the limits of what an old-fashioned really is, right? But that's okay, it's for fun.
No clones can have fun.
Now, if you haven't, make sure to click on that like button and make sure you subscribe. To the next journey, my friends, may the force be with you.
May the force be with us all.
Cheers.